Namaskar. Good afternoon, student. Welcome to your English class. So from today onwards, we are going to start our syllabus for your next monthly exam, that is of month November. So from today, we are going to start the chapter number 5, and the chapter name is A Different Kind of School. So student, this lesson is a message about how doing simple things can make learning more interesting and easier. Learning while doing things is the best way to learn different things, okay? Moreover, other than learning routine things, we need to make ourselves more aware and concerned about the environments and its problem. In short, we need to make our children more aware and responsible citizens. So student, I hope you understand the summary of the story, and now let's begin the story. So the narrator heard about Miss Beam school. It was a different kind of school, but he never got the chance to visit the school. But finally one day he got the chance to visit it. The day when he visited the school, he saw no one there but a girl who was covered with a bandage in her eyes and was led or taken care by a little boy. When they saw the narrator, both were talking to each other. And finally, the narrator met Miss Beam, and Miss Beam was all about what he had expected. She was middle aged, full of authority, but yet kindly and understanding. Then the narrator asks about Miss Beam teaching techniques or method, which he heard was very simple. So Miss Beam told the narrator that she do simple things like spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and the rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talk, in which the student have to sit still and do not move their hands. So in this way she used this technique to help the children in their study. So, the real aim of the school was to teach the student thoughtfulness, kindness towards the other, and be a responsible citizen. Then the Miss Beam told the narrator to look out of the window. So what happened? Narrator looked out of the window and he saw some beautiful grounds and a lot of jolly children. But he was not happy to see them as they were not looking healthy and not active. By then he saw few girls who were not able to see from their eyes, means they were blind, and one girl is walking with a crutch, watching others playing in the ground, and she was looking very hopeless cripple. Okay, so by seeing this, Miss Beam started laughing at narrator and told him that she is not really lame. This is just a lame day for that girl who was walking in a crutch, and like her other were also not blind. It is just their blind day. Okay, so in this way Miss Beam used to teach her students in a different learning method. Okay, and by hearing this, the narrator was in very shock, and by looking at him, the Miss Beam also laughed again. Okay. Miss Beam told the narrator that this is the part of their system to make children understand and appreciate misfortune. They make them share in misfortune too. Each term they had one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one dumb day. So the children were divided into two groups. One group is assigned with this task and the other group had to help them. So in this way children learn so many things from this by being blind and by helping them. Finally, the Miss Beam took the narrator to the ground to meet the children, and the narrator speak to the children, and gradually what he discovered that now he had become 10 times more thoughtful than he think he could ever be. So in this way, narrator learned so much about this different kind of school, and he took a grateful experience from there. So this was the story of Miss Beam school student. I hope you understand the story. In case if you have any doubt, you can call me or text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.